Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple designer jhumka earring. Let's start. Take a small size round ball and I have wrapped pink color all over the ball. For that I have taken 25 strands of thread. Apply glue at the top and paste it gap. Now turn out a ball again. Take another head cap, apply glue and paste at the bottom part. Now apply glue at the center of a ball, around the ball. And paste gold color stone chain around it. After pasting, cut the extra chain and paste it tightly. Now take a small size square shaped kundan. At the top of stone chain we have pasted. And paste square shaped kundans there. Like this, and leave some gap. The third one, apply glue and paste it. Similarly, paste on all the sides by leaving some gap in between. Now we have pasted on all the sides, and now at the bottom part again apply glue and paste golden color stone chain. After pasting, cut the extra chains. Now coming to the lower part, apply glue again. Paste another round of golden stone chain. Cut the extra chain and paste it again. Another line, apply glue around the ball. Again I am pasting golden stone chain. After pasting, cut the extra chain and paste it. And now take a head pin, insert small size white color pearl, cut the extra pin, make a loop at the top. Now take a eye pin and insert a hairpin part into a loop. After inserting, close the loop. Now insert a ball inside eye pin. At the top, round golden stone cap. Again at the top of the cap, insert white color pearl, and now cut the extra pin and make a loop at the top. Take a hook and insert the jhumka into it and close the loop now. That's it. A simple, very easy jhumka earring is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe, Pebbles.